Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by making sure your watch has at least 20% battery and is on your wrist for a stable connection. You open the Noise app on your phone, sign in, and enable Bluetooth. Allow notification and storage permissions when prompted. Once the app detects the watch, tap the device name to connect. This step pairs the devices so you can push settings. Do not skip the permission prompts because sound files and alerts require access. With the watch paired, go to the Watch Settings tab in the app and choose Alarms. Tap Create New, set the time, repeat days, and a short label so you recognize the alarm. This drives how the watch schedules it. Next, select Alarm Sound and pick either a default tone or custom to upload an MP3 from your phone. Once done, make sure you tap Sync or Save so the ringtone and alarm parameters transfer to the watch. This is the core step. After choosing the sound, sync the settings and trigger a test alarm to confirm it plays. You should adjust the watch volume in settings right arrow sound and vibration if the tone is too low. Do this while the test alarm rings so you can hear changes. If the alarm fails, make sure Do Not Disturb is off, Bluetooth remains connected, and the app still has notification and storage permissions. Restarting the app or watch usually fixes persistence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.